So welcome to another Kids Learning video, and today we're gonna be focusing on a project I did. This is one of it might have been my very first coding project I ever did. So right now, actually in this REPL that we have over here, this is actually an iframe with just the URL to my, I created this, by the way. It's just on CodePen. So in order to get to it, we have to go to here. This is my scientific calculator, my SciCalc. See, it's by Mr. Monkey the Donkey. It's an actual functioning calculator. I can just like and it'll actually calculate. So let's see the code. So this entire H1 class, it's just made of this. So it just says like the S, green, yellow. That's what that does, and then you have this entire thing is actually a form over here, and then you have the table, and these buttons are arranged in a table, and the call span, which means the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The amount that goes down, the amount of boxes that are in a single column are called a column span. And you have this input type. It's a text input box, so you could type G. I mean, there actually is a different way to change it, but like you can type a number. And it reloads, so now you can only type in numbers. See, if I'm trying to type in J right now, it won't let me type it in. One problem with that is that when that happens, when I try to put in like E and 10 and all these numbers, it'll return this error. So I just like to do a text. I like to do some text. Then here, so first you have this button. So this is okay, whatever. So this is I forgot the name. I forgot the name of this, guys. It's like when you click on 5, it's like 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5. Something like that. Yeah, what that does, and you have this one. I actually I have this one. This calculates the square root, so just to be more simple, if you click 15, you'll calculate the square root 4, and and I actually had to use a custom value for this. This is how you get symbols like square root because you can't actually type in the square root symbol. You have sin, you have this, you have parentheses, you have a percentage, you have AC clear. Basically like right now it's whenever if you type in something wrong, it'll give this uncaught syntax error. So basically percentages, like it just gets 1% of that number. You have cube root 10 e 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 plus 1 so 1x is the reciprocal. As you can see, there is a small problem with it, so I'm going to try to troubleshoot this right now. Click equals. I'm going to try to fix this by renaming this to inverse. This is the inverse. Right, and this is the reciprocal. I think this function x thing is messing it up. If I change this to inverse, function inverse, I'm gonna save it. Let's see. So 1, then 1x. Yeah, I don't know what how I went wrong. But then you can all these other things work. Like it shows that it all of a sudden goes to this not bound page. It's just confusing. 7 cos 3x 32 times 6 is equal to 192. So I can basically use all of this, and this is I actually have a link to this CodePen in the description. So if you want to check it out by yourself and maybe try it. And if you have any ideas on how to fix these problems, comment down below, so I can fix it, and maybe in a later video I can give shout outs to everybody who helped me. And the body is to create this yellow-green gradient, and you have Aber is this. Copyright Coding Genius. Actually, I'm going to change this to copyright Sid Scientist. Scientist. And I'll change that. Copyright Sid Scientist. That's what that's for. H1 is this thing. SciCalc. And the table is obviously that. The input is this, so blah 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 blah. Input is that. If you hover over the input, it'll bring the calculator up, and it's active. When it's active, the background color becomes gray. When it's actually active, it'll become gray, and you can't see it because my computer's a bit slow. So wait. Okay, yeah, and this is the calculator input. All the basic stuff. It floats left. Okay, I don't understand why I put the float left. It makes kind of almost no sense. I'll just reload. Oh, it's still floating left. And this is basically just a bit of lots of CSS I use to create this yellow style. What happened? This is blue. So this is JavaScript, and okay, that was. I don't know why I changed it, so I'm just gonna type in function equals. And I'm gonna do equals. Basically, what all these functions do is they the display of the character has a value. So what it does is it adds that to what it adds that to the value, and then the expression gets it, and it evaluates the expression, then to calculate everything that's in there, and then it inputs a final answer. So that's what it does. It's a bit complicated, but I'll send you guys the link in the description for all.